This is the magnetic force on current carrying wire interactive calculator, which solves for the force on a conductor in a magnetic field using the Lorentz force law. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown that lets you solve for any variable in the equation. You can calculate force, calculate current, calculate magnetic field, calculate wire length, or calculate angle. For this demonstration, I'll select Calculate Force. Now for the input fields. We enter the magnetic field strength B in Tesla, the current I in amperes, the wire length L in meters, and the angle theta in degrees between the current direction and magnetic field. When you click Calculate, the results appear below. The calculator shows your calculated force F in newtons along with all your input parameters clearly displayed. It also provides the force per unit length, which is useful for comparing different wire configurations. This helps engineers quickly determine mechanical stress on conductors in motors, generators, or any electromagnetic system where current-carrying wires interact with magnetic fields. Find the link in the description below.